So we're working Spanish Town today. Now we're in Eltham. Aki tree a beer, you know. But guess what? I don't see one open Aki. Oh yeah, I see one. No, I see a few. This look like holiday breakfast. I gotta turn up. I gotta borrow one line stick, you know. I call the Aki tree hang over your house. You have shares in the Aki tree? Alright, good. So I'm gonna get the line stick and go around there. The boss ready for him package finally. You know, so we couldn't find this man. We could not find him. But now we're here and he's happy that we're here. Right? Definitely. Boom. Alright. I will not ask you anything about the service, so don't tell me nothing about the service. What else you want to tell us?
I love the speedy response to the service, you know? And the fact that you guys delivered it.
Yeah.
I really appreciate that.
I appreciate it. Alright, cool. Oh, you grow a little bit of beard with no sideburns, brother. What going for?
For years, man.
For years.
My ask God.
You look like a student, same way.
Same way. That's what I want to look
that's
today.
Oh, alright, cool. The neighborhood. This neighborhood, I had a girlfriend down that road at some point, long time ago. A teenager. Now I tell her name. Yeah, and I was a teenager. But I know this neighborhood is always good. You don't have no problem, John. Here.
Lived here.
Other than people trying to thief the Aki.
And the Aki, well, we had a one Aki thief, yes, but you know him retire, so the neighborhood is very peaceful and you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a good neighborhood.
All right, good. Make sure you make some reference to your friends and families.
Definitely.
Because I know you're a recurring customer, so you know, when you spread it. All right.
Absolutely.
All right. Looking forward to hearing from you and your friends them.
All
right, so we are going to thief the Aki right now. We're going to borrow some Akis right now. So we're waiting on the line. You want to lend me a line stick, please? Can you lend me a line stick? Huh? Lend me a line stick now. On the shop, one line stick. You have a line stick, so I can get to the Aki them? You know those line stick? Alright, I'm going to use the line stick, so we're going to leave. Alright? This is how we do it on the delivery trail. I beg some Aki.